Should you buy third-party batteries over the brand name batteries to run your power tools? Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get yourself a set of detailed plans to build your own smart wood shop or one of my workbenches, you can click on the link in the description of this video down below. I did my search for DeWalt 20 volt. I came up with a pair of 6 amp hour batteries as a kit, and they were $159. I wasn't surprised. I'm pretty typical that you pay a fair amount of money for these new long-lasting lightweight batteries. But when I looked around, I found these third-party ones, and there weren't only these, there were 3 or 4 different ones, maybe more than that. And I looked at the reviews and the star ratings, and they were all pretty much similar. It was hard to differentiate. Typical, you've got the super negative, you're gonna have a couple of those. I ignore those because I don't think those guys are honest anyway. And you kind of throw away all the tops as well, and you just kind of go in the middle and hope there's enough people that have commented that have actually purchased them. They're verified purchase. I picked these because of color. They had some blue ones and some red ones. If I were going Milwaukee, I'd probably pick the red. If I was going Makita, I'd probably pick the blue. In fact, these weren't even quite yellow. They just had white lettering on the picture in the ad. And when I got them, they ended up being yellow. So I saved $100. That's a lot of money to go from $160 to $60 for 2. The ratings are the same as far as 20 volt. These are 6 amp hour. They compare in size to a 6 amp hour 20 volt. The question is will they hold up? When I look at them really closely, they look pretty good. I'd say the detailing on them is pretty comparable with the DeWalt brand. They do have the indicator on the battery of the condition of the battery, whether it's full or it needs to be charged. They fit well on the charger. And they fit just as well on the tool as the OEM versions do. I won't know if they're a good value until I see how long they hold up, and that's going to take a while. I do plan on using these 2 batteries pretty much exclusively on my DeWalt tools as much as possible as I'm doing some projects in the future. So keep an eye out on those videos and you'll see when I'm using these. I did say that I've never purchased the third-party battery for my tools, but I have a lot of experience with third-party batteries. The camera that's recording this video and the camera up there that's recording, and all of my camera gear, every single one of them, I have almost always bought third-party batteries. There's a third-party battery recording this right now. I've never had trouble with the third-party battery, never had one defective, never have had to send one back. So if these hold up, then the value's there. Why not save the money? If you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, when you subscribe, ring that little bell. It's the only way that YouTube will let you know that I've dropped a new video. And if you get a chance, share the channel with somebody else. Stay safe, and thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. Have a great day.